Hi again. Welcome to Lesson 49 of Saxon's 3rd edition, Algebra 1. And this lesson is about using distributive property to multiply polynomials. Now, if you thought adding and subtracting polynomials was fun yesterday, wait until you get to multiply them. I think that's even more fun. And we're going to talk about FOIL, an acronym, and it reminds you of the steps. You are to multiply first times first, then the outer terms, the inner terms, and then the last terms of two binomials. So here's an example. First times first, outside times outside, inside times inside, and last times last. When you do that, x times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times 3 is 6. Now, what you should find is that the O and the I will combine because they're like terms. So we just simplify this and put x squared plus 5x plus 6 as the final answer. In the next frame, I've added a video from one of my favorite math teachers, Robert Adhoot, and he has a YouTube channel called Yay Math. He also has a video, his own website called yaymath.org. He is an excellent teacher, much better than me, and I have recorded one of his recordings and put on here. So hopefully you'll be able to understand that and get it a little bit better from him, and then we'll work our practice problems.
Distribute this. Yes. 5x plus 20. That was a brief intro on distributive property. Okay. Next problem. We're going to do the same thing, except allow for a little space. All right, I'll show you what I mean. Out of here. So I know there's space here, but we're going to pretend there's no space, and we're going to do distributive property again. So imagine like there's no space. Do you have a good imagination? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Volunteer to distribute this. Yes.
X squared,
Yeah.
plus 4x.
X squared plus 4x. Correct.
X squared
Plus 4x. Good. Questions on this? Distribute. So if you claim to have a good imagination, write the following next to your x. Okay. The following next to your x. And with your strong imaginations, pretend that the x is no longer there, and we're simply looking at 6 times x. Okay. Who can distribute this one out, please?
6x plus 24.
6x plus 24, correct. Writing that in. Okay. So in other words, we distributed the first x as in x times x, then x times 4, that gave us those two. Then we distributed 6, that's 6x plus 24. So this is the type of problems we're going to be working with today. Alright, can these be combined in any way? Simplification? Yes. What's it going to be? Yes.
X squared plus 10x plus 24.
Right. X squared plus 10x plus 24. So, questions on that? That's foiling, right? The reason they call it FOIL is the following. You multiply the first terms. There it is. That's F. Put that here. You can even write it here if you like, F. Then you multiply the outer inside term. Notice 6 and x are both on the inside. So multiply those two. That's I. And finally, L stands for, yes?
Last.
Last, good. So that's 6 and 4 are both the last terms in these two sequences. And that gives us 24. And here's a big hint. The O and the I usually will combine, like they do here. The O and the I combine to make 10x. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, yeah, I did say just now. X minus 2 as well, right? Yeah. Okay, using your vast knowledge and your strong imaginations as we did above, using the FOIL method, multiply these two polynomials. Right? So what's good is that you're doing it and anyone at home is doing this, so we can actually work together. It's through feeling. I'm in the way. Okay, volunteer to distribute this first x, meaning f and o. Yes, please.
It'll be x squared
X squared is x times x
plus 4x.
plus 4x. That is achieved by multiplying x by 4. Good. Okay. Excuse me. I and L. I and L, please.
So it's inner, so neg and x, and that's negative 2x.
Minus 2x.
And then the last, which is negative 2 and 4, so that's, you multiply them, and that's negative 8, so minus 8.
Minus 8. Don't be afraid to speak up. You're right. Be proud.
I'm right.
Okay, good job. Catch on fast. Okay. So the last step is to simplify the middle two terms. And what are they? Yeah.
X squared plus 2x minus 8.
That's all it is. That's all it is. And what we're going to do next is we're going to find some patterns about when you're multiplying these two. Sometimes magical things happen in Latin math. Let's do that now. Okay? Okay. Say goodbye. Bye. 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 Desert. Like a chorus.
Okay, let's work our practice problems. So we're going to multiply first times first, outer times outer, inner times inner, and last times last. So 5x times 2x is 10x squared. And then 5x times negative 4 is negative 20x. 3 times 2x is positive 6x. And 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. And again, we can add these inner terms and simplify 10x squared minus 14x minus 12 is our final answer. Alright, now what this means is we're going to square this term. So we're going to write it 5x minus 6 times 5x minus 6. Then we can do FOIL. So 5x times 5x is 25x squared. 5x times negative 6 is negative 30x. Negative 6 times 5x is another negative 30x. And negative 6 times negative 6 is positive 36. Then we're going to add our middle terms. And we get 25x squared minus 60x plus 36 for our final answer. Good job. Hope you enjoyed the Yay Math video portion of the lesson, and I'll see you tomorrow for lesson 50. Okay, let's do this one. Looks different, looks more complicated, but it really is not. We're just going to multiply this term by this, and this term by this, and this. Alright, so 3x times x squared is 3x cubed, and 3x times negative 2x is negative 6x squared, and 3x times 3 is 9x, and then negative 1 times x squared is negative 1x squared. Negative 1 times negative 2x is positive 2x. And negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. Alright, now I simply combine my like terms if I have any, and I do. I've got 3x cubed. That gets rid of that one. And then I've got a negative 6x squared and a negative 1x squared. For negative 7x squared, and that gets rid of those two. And then I've got a 9x and a 2x for an 11x, so they're gone. And then I have a negative 3 left, and that is all there is to it. Great job today. Don't get freaked out when you see something that looks new or maybe a little more complicated. One step at a time.